Okay, welcome everyone to Amaya channel. Now today we are going to do real numbers, some questions we are going to solve today. Already we started real number concepts were over, most of the concepts. Now problem we are solving. Now today first question, NCERT question I am taking. Okay, last class we have discussed about that odd integer question. Today we are going to solve again one NCERT important question first. Okay, question is use Euclid. Yes, beta. Maths. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form so we have to use Euclid division lemma. In Euclid division, you know what is Euclid division lemma now? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So remainder will be either equal to 0 or greater than 0, but it will always be less than divisor. It will always be less than divisor. It is a most important condition. Between group, please send a message. Please send a message in group that those who have not joined, they must join again. Some of them, they are thinking that class is over, but class is not over. Math session is now. Okay, now we have math session. So class is still going on. So this is exactly Euclid division, and I think Kavya, Kavya, Kamya, and Janani, all of you are 100% correct. Fine. Kavya, Kamya, Janani, everyone correct. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. True. 110% true. Okay. Now, how to solve this question? First, what we will do, let me write and represent it nicely. Okay. So, I'm writing n. N is what? N is, take it as a positive integer because they have told that now key set of positive form. So set of positive form they have told. So we are going to write n, we will take it as positive integer. So let n be a positive integer. We have taken n as positive integer. Now using Euclid division, Sudarshan, natural number. Yes, beta, you can say natural number. But beta, they have told that it is positive integer. Correct only, no problem. You can write, but you cannot write natural number there, beta. What condition they have written accordingly means to that condition only write. Positive integer means positive integer. Using Euclid's lemma, or algorithm, what it will become, beta? Positive number n is equal to 3q plus r, where oh, Arif, we have taken set of natural number beta because they have taken that only. In the question itself, it will be written. In the question itself, it will be written beta. And in that question, previous question, it was written n was a set of natural number. But here they have told that we have to take positive integers. So whatever condition they will give, according to that condition, we have to respond beta. Okay, so whatever here they have told that Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer, cube of any positive integer. Okay, so since cube of any positive integer is given beta, that's why what we are going to do, we will be taking it as positive integer only. Okay, understood, Arya? Okay, beta. So let's see, they told cube. So what we are going to do, first we have to take Euclid division now. So we will be taking Euclid division. Euclid division format is what beta? Euclid division format is AQ plus R. AQ plus R. So here also we have tried to take to that format only, where Q is any integer. Where Q is any integer which is exactly greater equal 0. Positive integer they have told na beta, so we will be taking positive integers. Okay, now what can be the remainder? What can be R here? R can be either 0, R can be 1, or R can be 2. Very good beta, very good Rashri. Rashri is giving the answer here, since because beta here 3 I have taken. So 3 is the divisor here. What is 3 here? 3 is the divisor here. Q is the quotient here and R is the remainder here. So here, for those who have not understood, one time I am explaining, we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is n, positive integer, is equal to 3. 3 is divisor, Q is quotient. So remainder will always be less than divisor. So divisor is 3. So remainder will either be 0, 1 or 2. That's why remainder is 0, 1 or 2. If you will not understand, see the recording, you will be able to understand it in a better way. Now this is done. Now with a set of natural number, so remainder, so natural, this positive integer can be represented as 3q 0 when r is equal to 0. Three q plus 1 when r is equal to 1. Okay, now they told beta cubing of the number. Okay, so now let us taking, so we will cube on both sides. Putting power 3 on both sides of equation 1, then it will become n cube is equal to 3 cube plus 0 to the power cube. So it will come, the number cube is equal to coming 27 q cube. Okay, 27 q cube is coming beta. Okay, now what we can write here, 27 q cube is 9 into 3 q cube. Okay, 9 into 3 q cube. We can take it as 9 into 3 q cube. Now the 3q to the power cube. Now this can be again an integer. So we will write this will be equal to m. So that means what we got, n cube is equal to 9m. First one over, they told it will either be in the form of 9m or in the form of nm plus 1, 9m plus 1, or in the form of 9m plus 8. So first one we have done. Now we will go for second one. Okay, is it coming 9m plus 1? Let's check beta. N cube is equal to 3m plus 1 cube. So n cube is equal to 3 3 is a 9 is a 27. What is a plus b whole cube formula? This formula. So now beta here it will become 927 m cube plus 1 plus 9m square correct only. Sudarshan correct. Second one beta, Arif correct only beta. But here what we are doing is 3 3 is a 3 because 3m will be there na. So 3m will be multiplied to 3m plus 1. Okay, 3m will be multiplied to 3m plus 1. Check it. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. So it will become 9m. So now what will be, this one will become n cube is equal to, we will take all the three together, 27m cube plus 9m square plus 9m plus 1. So we can take 9 common, 3m cube plus m square plus m plus 1. Okay, now beta this we will take it as integer. Better we will take it as q only because we have taken it as q. Then only we will take it as another m. Then we will present it as m. So 3q, q cube, and then here it will become 9q square plus 9q, 27q cube plus 9q square plus 9q. So here 3q cube plus q square plus q plus 1. So now this one you take it as m. So n cube is coming 9m plus 1. This will become an integer, 3q cube plus q square plus q will become an integer. Okay. Now next again we have to solve for, we have to go for this one same process. So I'll try do here, space is very less. N cube is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. N cube is equal to 27 understanding. N cube is equal to 27. Okay. Okay, Janani, you got the answer, beta. give me the response? Can you see me? Okay, fine. That is what, but I'm going to change it. Screen got hanged. Just give me 1 minute. I'll explain it one more time, Madhumita. Don't worry, beta. Just 1 minute.